Are you looking for the cheapest Apple Watch? Or maybe you're looking to purchase your first smartwatch because you want to see what all the hype is about? Well, if you go to Apple's website right now, you're going to be presented with 3 different options: the Series 7, the SE, and the Series 3? And hey, after seeing those options, you might even consider purchasing the Series 3 because 1, it's on the site, and 2, it's the cheapest option available. But is it the best choice? After 5 years, why is Apple still selling this? And more importantly, should you even consider purchasing it when comparing it to the other options available? Spoiler alert, damn it, Apple. No. And probably the best way to start would be looking at some of the reasons you would even consider purchasing the Series 3. Checking the features on Apple's site, it seems to have the important stuff, like heart rate sensors, fitness tracking, Apple Pay, it's even swim-proof, and of course, it's the cheapest option. One more thing on the pricing is that it's constantly going on sale, so you can often find this version for under $200 even for the bigger one, which is a pretty good deal. Or is it? Before I go any farther, guys, I gotta be transparent. I'm actually using the Apple Watch Series 3 right now, and I have been for the past 3 years. Hold on, before you jump into the comments like, "Adam, you sick, lying, hairy-nippled son of a..." Just give me a second here, will ya? For me, and this particular Series 3, it works just as good as the day I first got it. The battery life is still over a full day's use, and I'm able to use the features that I like the most, like Apple Pay and the Roku remote, because I'm lazy. But I bought this watch 3 years ago. Okay, here's the big problem. Updates. About 2 years back, there was a major update. I believe it was going from OS 6 to OS 7. The Series 3 had such a difficult time. I barely got mine to update to OS 7. I kept getting a weird error message, eventually a boot loop, and then finally it kind of bricked my device. Unfortunately, the update issues didn't stop there. When I went from Watch OS 7 to Watch OS 8, I had a major problem, and it deleted all my smartwatch settings to do so. Not cool, Apple. Not cool. Which brings me all the way back to the original question. Why is Apple still selling this? To be honest with you guys, I have no idea. Someone looking for a new Apple Watch might see the Series 3 as good enough, as it does most of the things that most people want a smartwatch for good enough. But you would be selling yourself short. It's only a matter of time before Apple stops supporting this watch. And when that happens, the smart part of your smartwatch will no longer be there, as the apps will no longer be compatible with the software, pretty much making it just a watch. In my opinion, it's definitely worth just skipping the Series 3 and paying the extra money for the SE. With the SE, you're going to get a newer smartwatch that's probably going to be updated for a couple years to come, and you get some of the newer features and benefits that you get with the Series 7 without the expensive price tag. Guys, get the SE. Take the Series 3 I am wearing as more of a testament to how long your new SE will last, rather than how long the Series 3 will last moving forward. This one won't be around in 5 years. If you enjoyed the video, check out some of my other product reviews right here. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.